everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my hair care routine, which is another extremely highly requested video. So I think the last hair care video that I shot was back when I started my channel, probably a few months after I started my channel, which has been it's been 2 years since I started my channel, so it's been a long time, and it was high time that I made an updated hair care routine video because quite a lot of things have changed. I would say 90% of the things have changed. Also, I thought this would be a perfect time to share my hair care routine because Nykaa is having their holy sale. So all the products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video are going to be at a discounted price. So I will link them all in the description box below in case you guys are interested in buying them. And let's just get started with today's video. Now, before I start showing you guys all the products that I use, I think it's important to talk about the history of my hair or the kind of hair that I have. So to begin with, I have extremely straight hair, like naturally straight hair. I have medium volume. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick either. I have extremely oily scalp, but dry ends. And I also deal with dandruff, like occasionally. It's quite sporadic. Sometimes I have a lot of dandruff. Sometimes my scalp is pretty clean. So all the products that I'm going to share with you guys are in order to combat all of those issues. So I'm going to start with talking about oils because I think oils are very important. I religiously follow a hair care routine, hair oiling routine rather, and I will link my hair oiling routine in the description box below if you want like an in-depth process of how I oil my hair. But I use 3 different oils. The first one is called Mamaearth VCO. It's the extra virgin coconut oil. I've been using this for over 5 years. Back when I used to write a blog, I had written about my hair care routine, and back then too I used to use this, and I still use this. If I could recommend one oil to you guys, definitely try this one out because it works for all hair types, not just like my type of hair. And I love this oil. But this isn't the only hair oil I use. I like to switch things up, and I've been recently loving this Wow's 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Oil. I actually filmed like a video wherein I use this oil for 30 days twice a week, and I've recorded the entire process of like my hair growth, the texture of my hair. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching that, like seeing a before and after in terms of length. But like to give you like a in short review, I love this oil, which is why it's made it to my hair care routine. And what I do is I use this on only my scalp because the ingredients in here are like so potent. There are so many herbs in here, so I like to like really concentrate this on my scalp. And when it comes to the end of my hair, I like to use some sort of coconut oil, and this is the coconut oil that I use, and I really like this combination. But when I have those times when my scalp and my hair is extremely dandruff prone, this is the hair oil that I like to use. It is by Ikson, and it's their premium onion hair oil, and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it because I feel like it really helps me with my dandruff. So those were the 3 hair oils I use. I use 3 different shampoos as well. Now you're thinking that I'm crazy to use 3 different types of shampoos, but the reason behind it is I don't like to use just one shampoo for my scalp and hair because I feel like my hair gets used to like the ingredients in that shampoo and stops working according to the way I want it to. So for example, the first shampoo that I use is by Wow, and it's their coconut milk shampoo. This is supposed to like really soften your hair and like tame frizz. So if I keep using this, like this is the only shampoo that I use, I've noticed that my hair stops doing that, and it like does the opposite because your hair gets so used to this product. So I like to switch things up. The second shampoo that I use is by Moroccanoil. It's their hydrating shampoo. Now this is a very expensive shampoo and I don't use it very often, but whenever I use it, I love the way my hair feels. Now I use this when I feel like there's a lot of product buildup in my scalp and I really want to like cleanse my skin. Hair. So I use this and it really cleanses my hair and it makes my hair very bouncy, and I really like the way my hair feels. But I would definitely recommend this to you guys. And the third shampoo that I use, I don't have like a physical bottle of it. It's by OGX. I tried to buy it from Nykaa, but it's sold out everywhere, like all of its variants. I like to use the purple bottle and it smells divine. It smells like coconuts and like a tropical vacation. I love the way it smells. I like to use that for volume. So the 2 like primary shampoos that I use is the first one being the Wow and the second one being by OGX. By the way, all the products, or rather 95% of the products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video are like paraben free, silicone free, chemical free. I've been really trying to use products that have cleaner ingredients. So talking about conditioners now, I use two conditioners. The first one, actually both of them are from Wow. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Wow. I know I'm using a lot of Wow like products, but not sponsored. Coming back to the conditioner, so the first one is this coconut milk conditioner. My mom loves using like this variant, the coconut milk, and she swears by this. She loves the way this really makes her hair feel. So she has extremely thick and frizzy, I would say, hair type, and this works really well for her. So if you have a similar hair type, it might work for you. So this is the first conditioner that I use, and the second one is organic virgin coconut oil plus avocado oil. But I will say I love this one a little bit more, the avocado oil one, and that's only because this is a little bit more moisturizing. So it really depends on what my hair is feeling. So if my hair is feeling super dry, this is what I'll use, and if I want my hair to be like bouncy, voluminous, and not weighed down, I'll use this coconut milk one. Talking about hair masks and deep conditioning masks, so like my absolute favorite is by Mamaearth. It's their Argan hair mask. It has argan, avocado, and milk protein. I use this to kind of like smoothen my hair at home. So if that's something that you guys would be interested in, do let me know in the comments down below. I can film like an entire video on how I use this and really make it work for me. The second hair mask that I use is by Wella. It's their fusion hair mask. Now this isn't paraben and silicone free. I didn't know that back when I bought it, but now since I have it, I use it. I will say it's a very good hair mask. It makes your hair smell beautiful, and it does everything that a hair mask is supposed to do. It really does like condition your hair. So the deep conditioning mask that I use once a week and the hair conditioner that I use twice a week does like good for me, and I don't really need a serum. But when it comes to heat products, so I think I would say I use a heat product, either a curler or a straightener, at least once a week, and that's when I use this product as a heat protectant. It's the Moroccanoil's hair treatment, but what I love about this is the way it works with heat. So I like to use a lot of it right before I'm gonna go in with a hair straightener or a hair curler. And I think it protects my hair. Of course, I can't really tell for sure, but I can only hope. And once I'm done with the straightening / curling, I will again apply a lot of it. And I've noticed that it really helps me hold my curls as well, which is one issue that I have with my straight hair. But I love this product. So if you've been looking for a heat protectant / post heat product, give this one a try. And the last product that I have for you guys is a dry shampoo. Can you even guess which dry shampoo I use? It's the Batiste Dry Shampoo, and this is the one in Divine Dark. If you have dark colored hair, black hair, try this one out instead of the other variants, because the other ones tend to leave like a white cast, and that's not cute. It ends up looking like dandruff. This doesn't. I love this product. So again, if you've been looking for a dry shampoo, try this one out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful, my hair care routine, which has been a very highly requested video, and I will link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to go and check out Nykaa's page because they're having their holy sale. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.